In this video, I will show you how to make your Threads account public. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Threads on your device. So initially, when you sign up for an account with Threads, you do have the option to set up an account to be private or public. So if you've accidentally set it to be private and you're now looking to change out to be public, what you're going to want to do once you're logged in is come to your profile. So if you click onto the profile icon down in the bottom right hand corner, and that's going to take you across to your profile. Now from here you can see it's currently set to private because I have got a picture of the little padlock up in the top left hand corner. So what you're going to want to do to change this is click onto the two lines up in the top right hand corner. So what it's going to do is bring up your settings, and from here you're going to want to click onto privacy. Next, if you look at the very top, you're going to see the option for private profile. So to change this from a private profile to a public profile, all you need to do is press onto this toggle switch, and it's going to ask if you want to switch to a public account. So what this means is that anyone on all our threads can actually see and interact with your content. So if you want to go ahead and switch, press OK. And straight away that's going to change us to a public account. So if we come back now to our profile, you'll see the little padlock in the top left hand corner has changed to a picture of a globe, which now means that this account is public. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.